more. Go.
It's recording. She reached for it.
Maybe she's ready for this.
Hey. I have to record that when she does that. Take your time giving it to her next time, okay? I want to see that little dance thing she does again.
You want some more? You want more?
Her feet are kicking and everything. It is so cute. She actually likes it. This is only the second feeding. I think if you give her the rest of that and whatever's on her face, she should be okay. Okay? Save it for the next time she gets fed.
Give her like 2 ounces of a bottle.
Yeah. That way she's still getting that, because I don't know how this is going to work with her stomach, you know? She's like losing it. Is it in? No. Look at her tongue. Oh my gosh, she looks like such a mess. She's got it all over the place.
She was just earlier.
Okay, I think that's about enough there, honey. We'll give her some formula now. That's it, that's
You better go get that formula ready then.
Alright, hold on, let me finish recording that.